Hi, this is Theo from Spotahome.com. Today I'm in Neaston looking at a 7-bed house pretty close to Wembley and Kilburn in opposite directions, about 10 minutes on the bus to get to either of them. There's also a massive shopping centre nearby, and in Wembley there's a fashion outlet, a designer outlet, so you can get nice clothes and all that at a cheaper price. And obviously in Wembley you've got the stadiums if you're a fan of sports. It's pretty ideal. Let me show you this place. So the front door was just behind me. We're in a nice residential street, so it's not very noisy. And then on this bottom floor we got 3 bedrooms, which I'll show you in a second, just show you the communal bits. This bit here is a study. There's obviously a spare fridge, freezer. You need more than one for 7 people in a house. There's another one in the kitchen, obviously. So that's good if you need a bit of private space to do some work. This is the kind of living dining area. Nice size dining table, a few chairs. This is the first of the 2 bathrooms. So this one is separate toilet. There's a sink, toilet and a bit of storage there. Through here is the kitchen, which is nicely done, it's in very good condition. That's the other fridge. We've got plenty of storage all the way to the bottom and the top. Kettle, toaster, toasting machine, microwave, oven, stove, boiler's just there. It's a sink, and this is the washing machine just down there. And then through here you've got a nice sized garden. And at the back you've got a shed. Imagine a pretty decent barbecue out here. So, like I said, down here we've also got the bedrooms. This is bedroom number 3 here. They're all single beds, all pretty similar layout. So you've got a single bed here, heater there. Then through here you've got a separate desk, chest of drawers and a wardrobe. Window just looks out onto the garden. Bedroom 2. Like I said, similar layout. Wardrobe there, desk and chair, chest of drawers and a single bed. Heater just under the window which looks out onto the street. And bedroom 1 is just here. It's a bit smaller, but it's still got everything that the other ones have. Single bed, heater under the window, desk and chair, chest of drawers and a wardrobe. Then upstairs. So recap, bedroom 1, bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. The second bathroom is up here, and that's where the shower is. See, this one obviously got toilet, sink, cabinet, bath and shower unit just here, and this is just a bit of storage. Bedroom 4 is here. It's the smallest of the bedrooms. Still gets plenty of light because of that window. Single bed here. Heater, like I said, the window, and a wardrobe with chest of drawers built in. Number 5, just next door, which contrastly seems like the biggest of the rooms. This one's got a single bed, heater, nice large window, wardrobe and chest of drawers. Number 6. It's just here. Let's get back here so I can show you. Single bed, heater behind it with the window looking out onto the garden. Chest of drawers just here, and a wardrobe is just here. And finally, bedroom number 7 is this one, just here. See another nice big window looking down onto the garden, heater underneath it with a single bed, desk. There will obviously be a chair with this, and that is the wardrobe, mirror and chest of drawers all in one unit. Now you may have noticed that all of the rooms do have their own lock in one form or another, whether it's one like this, which you just lock whilst you're in the room, or one of these ones with a key so you can lock it when you leave. But that's it, that's the house. This has been Theo from Spotahome.com. Check out the listing below for more information, and I'll see you later. Bye.